Welcome to the second video of the CCNA Master in Networking series. In the last video, we have done the VLSM, and today we're gonna do basic configuration. If you are new, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Watch till the end, like the video, and share with friends. So here is the topology that we have to configure. Now let's start the configuration. Click on the router 0, then click on CLI. First, let me show you an easy way to configure routers. You just need to remember the router's modes. 1. Setup mode. The router is asking us that you have any configuration files. We simply say no, because we want to create a configuration file. So here we just type no and move to the next step. 2. The second mode is the user mode. When we question mark here command list appears, we can use these commands on user mode. We want to move to the next mode, that is a privileged mode. To go to privileged mode, type enable. 3. The third mode is a privileged mode. All the verification commands are executed in this mode. We want to move to the next mode, type configure terminal. 4. The fourth mode is the global configuration mode. If you apply any command on this mode, it will be configured all over the router. We set our router name here. Type hostname R1. 5. The fifth and last mode is interface mode. Here we can configure our interfaces. We have two interfaces connected on R1. Fast Ethernet and Serial. First, we configure Fast Ethernet. Check the port number first. In our case, we connect F0/0. Type interface Fast Ethernet 00. Type IP address 192.168.0.255.255.255.224. No shutdown. And exit. Now configure serial interface. The port number is S0/0/0. Type interface serial 0/0/0. Type IP address 192.168.0.41.255.255.252. Here we need to define the clock rate on this interface because of its TCE interface. The default clock rate is 64,000. Type clock rate 64,000. No shutdown. Exit. And again, exit. Then save this configuration on VRAM. Write. Write is the command to save RAM data on VRAM, or you can type copy running config to start up config. This is the other method to save RAM data on VRAM. Move to the next router. Setup mode, type no. In user mode, type enable to go to privileged mode. In privileged mode, type configures terminal to go to global configuration mode. Type hostname R2. Check the port number of Fast Ethernet. In our case it's F0/0. Type interface Fast Ethernet 00. Type IP address 192.168.0.33.255.255.248. No shutdown. And type exit. Check the port number of serial connections. In our case it's S0/1/0. Type interface serial 0/1/0. Type IP address 192.168.0.42.255.255.252. No shutdown. Exit. And again type exit. Type R to save the data on VRAM. Now it's time for verification. Open router 0, on privilege mode, type show IP route. You can see that connected networks, which is denoted by C. We have two connected networks. Now open router 1, type show IP route. You can see that connected networks, which is denoted by C. So that is for today. Hope you like the video. Share the video with your friends and loved ones. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and if you have any query, ask me in the comment section. See you in the next part of this series. Goodbye, take care.